Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can link your YouTube channel to your TikTok account. And by doing so, all your followers on TikTok will be able to subscribe to your YouTube channel. And also the views and engagements on your YouTube video will increase greatly. So guys, please watch to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment that will help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to open our TikTok app. So this is our TikTok app. This is the home page of our TikTok app. So the next thing is to click on your profile here at the down of your screen. So if you have not linked your YouTube account to your TikTok, this is how your profile will look like. But after linking it to your TikTok account, the YouTube icon will appear after this add friend. That is here, it will appear. Click on edit profile. So you scroll up in this, you can see where the row social. So there's Instagram and there's YouTube. So you have to click on this YouTube. Now it will bring out your Google accounts. So you have to choose the Google account that you used for your YouTube. So I'm going to choose this. This is the one I used for my YouTube. So guys, you click on this. So this will allow TikTok to view your YouTube account. So you click on it and you click on done. Then you click on allow. So guys, my YouTube has been linked. You can see it here. It has been linked to my TikTok account. So let's go back and see how it will look like on our profile. So this is what I was trying to explain earlier. This is the YouTube icon here on my TikTok. So my TikTok follower can go to my YouTube channel from this place by just clicking on it. Let's click on it and see. It has taken us to the YouTube app. So this is basically it. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe, share this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.